Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can level up your pet faster in grow a garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I want to share a tips to level up faster. If you want to level up your pet faster guys, I recommend you to use the Level Up Lollipop. You can go to the gear shop and you can buy the Level Up Lollipop right here, and it can increase your pet's age by 1. You can also use the Mega Lollipop. The Mega Lollipop can turn your pet into level 100 pet instantly. For example, my giraffe, okay, as you can see, it's now level 101. And for this giraffe, I used the Mega Lollipop. And to get the Mega Lollipop, guys, you can finish the Core Pets achievement. Okay, you will get Mega Lollipop. And to increase your pet's age, you can also use the pet age breaker. Wait, where is it? It's right here. You can use the pet age breaker machine. Oops, it's not here guys. It's nearby the gear shop. Okay, but to use this machine you need to have at least level 100 pet or above. Okay, and you can also use the silver lollipop or the golden lollipop. Okay, I got this silver lollipop from the previous update, and it can also help you to increase your pet's age. Okay guys, and that's how you can level up your pet faster and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.